Alrighty guys, Daryl here for another RYDLAR99 box break. This time we're doing a box of 2011-2012 Panini Contenders that ended last night on eBay. That'll be April the 8th. Between the times of 9:45 and 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Last time there was Winnipeg Jets, ended at 10:14 and 23 seconds. Current eBay time is Tuesday, April the 9th at 2:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. I'll show you the serial number. Actually, I'm going to show you I am live right now on RYDLAR99.tv/Vaughn Live. There's a little bit of lag as you see everything going through here. And yeah, you're always welcome to come join me. I do have a schedule of when I'm doing my breaks as well as my off eBay breaks, which are in the kind of the teal color there. So I do have one on Wednesday night. I have a 3-box mini and a 6-box mid break if anybody wants to take part in those. You can go to the .tv or the .com website and you can go under the open breaks tab there and find them. Serial number is NE181103-310. Gonna switch to the webcam here, and here we are. So ending in 310 is what I have on my screen here, and it is. Get the focus to kick in. No, it was going to for a sec there. It's just kind of the box has kind of got wrinkles in the plastic, so let me just try to straighten that out here for you. There you go. 181103310. I can make that out, so you should be able to as well. Because I am looking at the webcam screen there. Contenders sealed box. Just a reminder, my Contenders are not coming from a sealed case. I ordered a case. They sent me 14 loose boxes, but that's okay. We've already hit a triple, as well as 2 dual inks out of these 14 boxes. So, and the triple was a. I hate to say it because one of the people watching lost their randomization, was Hall, RNH, and Tavares. So, all hard signed NHL triples. No booklet yet, though. Not that I'm guaranteeing a booklet, just because they are loose. So, anyways, no base card ship out of Contenders, but let's get going. Good luck, everybody, on the break. And remember, I do have 5 or 6 boxes going tonight if you want to take part. Luongo, Stahl, Giunta, Decoy, Spezza, Duchesne. Lettinen, Whitney, Sedin, Decoy, Pacioretty, and Stewart. Lidstrom, Marchand, Erickson, Decoy, Richards, Montoya. Eric Stahl, Ryan Kessler. We have for the New Jersey Devils an NHL ink of Adam Larson. Not a bad pickup for the Devils. Decoy, Kiprasov, and Stamkos. Oshie, Price, Kane, Decoy, Pavelski, and Jeff Carter. Krejci, LeCavalier. We have Calder Contenders out of 999 for the Edmonton Oilers, Colton Tubert. Out of 999. Decoy, Carlson, and Dustin Brown. Eliash, Pronger, Lupul, Decoy, Antropov, and Mike Smith. Harding, Letang, Ladd, Decoy, Smith, and Green. Ryder, Lundqvist, Crosby, Decoy, Subban, and Chara. Anderson, Ovechkin, Varlamov, Decoy, Zetterberg, and Getzlaff. Pretty dry box so far. Everlay, Malkin, Giroux, Decoy, Pominville, and Datsuk. Oh, I see something good down there. Ben, Thomas, Color Contenders for the New York Islanders out of 999, Matt Campanelle out of 999. Decoy, Ryan Miller, and Alex Pietrangelo. Quick, enough. We have auto rookie out of 800, Eric Gustafson for the Flyers. Decoy, Couture, and Danny Briere. Nash, Thornton, Cup Contenders out of 999 for the Phoenix Coyotes. Shane Doan. Decoy, Weber, and Commodore. Back is Taze, Myers, Decoy, Boyle, and Reamer. 3 packs left. Keatley, Luke Adam. We have Contenders Legacies for the Chicago Blackhawks. Denny Savard out of 999. A Decoy, Lucic, and Jimmy Howard. 2 packs left. Marc-Andre Fleury, Andre Pavlik, Henrik Sedin, Decoy, Perry, and Yager. Oh, we got something thick here, guys. Something really thick. What could it be? Duncan Keith, Jose Theodore, Mikhail Grabowski. Put this one down for half sec. Martin St. Louis and Alex Hemsky. First one I pulled live, actually. I usually always get redemptions. Contenders matchups of Detroit and Colorado. So we have on this side Brendan Smith and Jimmy Howard, Varlamov and Landeskog. Not a bad one to get, that's for sure. So we have to do randomization on this one. Detroit and Colorado. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to enter in both team names twice and then randomize that because there are 4 players involved. So let me pop open random.org. Colorado, I'm going to stagger them just because they are equal. Because you know I'm not going to stick to my rules, which is alphabetical. That way nobody can say I'm changing things up. Okay, let me just set it up so you can see on the screen. There we go. I just popped them all in. Alright, 2 Colorados, 2 Detroits. I'm going to randomize 5 times. Team on top wins that sweet, sweet booklet. 1, Colorado's on top. 2, Colorado's on top. 3, Detroit's on top. 4, back to the original ordering. Colorado's on top. And the winner is, are you ready? Here we go, right now. The Colorado Avalanche. You've randomized this list 5 times. Win the matchup booklet. Congratulations, Colorado. So that's it for the break, guys. I want to thank everybody for taking part. And remember, I do have more boxes going tonight. And heck, there could be another booklet. So we've got a booklet, 2 dual links, and a triple link out of these 14 loose boxes that they sent me. Oh, and remember, Wednesday night I have a lot of off eBay breaks. RYDLAR99.com. Have a good one, guys.